Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm about to explain on the user panel, and I'm just going to click on user and I'm going to click on user manager. Uh, the the user panel is used to create a user on our website. Let's say you want to create another admin, you can use the user panel. So I'm just going to go around this and we're going to create another new user. The first thing is the edit, activate, block and unblock and delete and batch. uh, One thing that we have to know that is okay, let's just create another user. Okay, computer is very slow. No, so alright, I'm just gonna name him Nyasha. My login, I'm just gonna call him Nyasha, and the password I'm just gonna call it heaven, and confirm, I'm just gonna call it heaven, and email, I'm just gonna say Nyasha at gmail.com. And registration, I'm just gonna put the date today, last visit, and by the way, today is my birthday. Alright, yeah, alright, so let's just finish it, then we can celebrate, then we'll celebrate. Alright, receive emails, I'm just gonna say yes. Block this user, say no. ID 0. Okay, then I'm just gonna say yeah. Before I save this, I'm just gonna show you something. This is what you call assigned user groups. This is how you can restrict your access levels. There is guest, there is manager, then there is administrator, then there's author, then there's editor, then there's publisher, then there's super users. So you can give the user certain session access levels, like you can give them the right as a guest, or you can give them the right as an administrator, or give them in as an author. In the coming tutorials I'll explain more on the author, the editor, the publisher, but for now I'll explain more on the author, the editor and the publisher, the access levels and the basic settings. You can set up the settings of the template style of the user, and the backend language and the front end language, and the editor and the help site, and also the time zone. So I'm just going to save and close. So that's how you can create another user on your Joomla site. And the other thing I wanted to show you was other thing I wanted to show you was access levels. Okay, let's go on access levels. We are now on access levels. There's guest. You can open it. Let's just view guest. These are access levels. Guest. These are type of access levels that you could take advantage of, and you could give to some of certain users on your website. So these are different types of access levels, like special, manager, and all kinds of stuff. So you can just play around and see which access level you would want as in your next user to use. And I think for now I'm just gonna cut this tutorial on this. Then I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'm now running out of time, so I'll see you in the next tutorial.